Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Donovets, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video, if you have already seen the title, I'll be showing you guys what I got for my baby, what I'm taking, oh god, sorry, what I'm taking to the hospital, what's in my hospital bag and my baby's hospital bag. Yes, if you like this content and you have not joined the family yet, why don't you subscribe to my YouTube channel? Yes, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Alright, so if you are excited as I am about this one's inside though, but I just like to, show, to look at the baby's clothes again. So let's just jump into this video. So guys, I'm going to start from my baby's bag. This is my own bag, and this down one is my baby's bag. So I'm going to open it for you all so you can see. This is my bump, guys. I am 34 weeks and just 4 weeks and 5 days, thereabouts. I just can't wait. So this is the bag, all packed and ready for baby Mia to come out. Mia, all packed and ready for her to come out. So right here I have I don't know if you guys have seen my baby haul. I'm going to put it somewhere in the card so you guys go check it out. So that is where I reviewed everything about what I got for her. Right here we have our spirits. Spirits and olive oil. So in the hospital they gave me like a list of things I should get. I think it's somewhere. Yeah. So this is a list of all the things I need to bring to the hospital. I've already checked. If you can see, I've checked so many things. So this one was one of it. Then I have her soap. I already asked in the previous video if you guys know if this soap and cream is good for babies, so let me know. I have the soap already. Then I've not got Pampers yet. I was thinking I'll get that when maybe like 36 weeks or 37 weeks. I'll get her Pampers and the Nan. So I've not got that yet. Those ones, I've not got those ones yet. So it's something I can just rush into the store and get that. So guys, this is her wipes and basin. It's upside down because I'm using the front scoop. Cotton wool. Then I've already folded it. I did the video where I was ironing, like my nesting video. I think I'm going to put it somewhere too, so you guys go check it out. Like I got this one. This is the 0 to 3 months. I folded. Where did I put some 0 to 3 months and some big ones in case she comes out big, because I've not checked her weight yet. So I just put this, and this. This one's like 3 overall. Then her cardigan, she's moving. Her sponge. Cap. Beep. This is her earrings. I'll show you guys later. Her cap, some mittens, socks, like 3 pairs of socks. I'm just pairing them in 3s. Then I also put this the play suits. I think it's play suits, right? But I put, as I said earlier, I just did 3 3 3 3 3. So it's so cute. I don't want to scatter what I have folded already. I don't have that strength to refold them again. Then this long one, I just added one just in case they say, okay, you need a long one, not only a short sleeve, you need a long sleeve. So this one cover for that, for it. Then her face towel, I just put like 4 face towels there. Then her receiving blankets, I put 2 receiving blankets inside. Then I added this shawl, 1 towel, and another shawl. But I think I might add another towel inside just in case. So the other shawl, that is this one, is very soft, very soft. I did a full video of how when I was reviewing it. I'm going to put it in the card, guys, go check it out. So I'm going to try and pack all this thing back and show you guys the earring. The earring is so cute, like cute. So these ones are necessary, is what you need, which are important. So what I don't have here is just her pampers and her nan. Her bottle, that one I am doing is part of my nesting video when I was washing all her stuffs, so you guys are gonna see that one there. Yes, this is her earring. It's from, it's just so cute. So cute, so cute, like really cute. Earring. I don't know if you guys can see it well. Let me try and fix this thing. See, it's so cute. This is a 14 karat gold earring, rose gold earring, 14 karat rose gold earring. So because they asked in one of the requirements in the list, they asked us to get earring if it's a girl, so that's why I got the earring. Yeah, so that's all what's inside my baby's bag. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside my bag. So water break. So guys, this is my own bag. Very tiny, right? Yes. So what my bag looks like. I have this towel on that pad inside the bag. Then my comfort, like sanitary pad. It is 10. They asked me to get 5, but I just want to just get 1 pack for them, just in case. Then my maternity bra. This is the maternity bra, and it's super easy when you want to breastfeed because of the opening. See, just feel some. You can see. So you close, you open, you close, you open. So, which is also going to be a plus and comfortable. Then disposable pants, you need this. Then here I just wrapped my breast pad. I took like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I took like 10 just in case. I know definitely I know I'm not going to like spend like 10 days in the hospital. No, 5 days, because why is 10 is because one for each part of the breast. Then I took this bra. It's kind of easy. Face masks. You need face masks. The bra, the pants too. Some socks. Face towel. But I have 2 face towels now for myself. Some sleeping clothes. This one, I took this one, which I will wear in the hospital, maybe when I get to the hospital, when I want to sleep or something like that, I don't know. And that pair of socks. Then panties, just in case I don't feel comfortable on that disposable pants, I'll just wear my normal pants. I took like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 pants, and I took mostly black and red. You know, you are gushing out blood, so you don't need any white or anything that will stain you, and it's very hard to remove the color from it. Then another sleeping clothes, just this simple one. I reviewed this in my other video. I don't know, that was last year. Yeah guys, that's all I have in my hospital bag. So I'm going to pack all this. Then someone will be like, you packed a lot of things for your baby stuff and the rest. Guys, in Nigeria here, you have to bring everything by yourself. So they don't give you anything in the hospital. So if you're in a country whereby when you're pregnant and you go to and deliver and they give you things in the hospital, good for you. But here in Nigeria, you have to buy and bring. They'll give you a list of what I want you should bring to the hospital. So yeah, so guys, so that's all I have in my hospital bag. So I'm still like, this is only where I feel comfortable right now. Yeah, so my other stuff like my toothpaste, my sponge, my soap, those are the last things I'll pack like almost in the dying minutes. Yes, but I know I'm not going to forget those ones. Yeah. Okay guys, so if you've watched to the end and you've not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just join the family and subscribe, and also turn up the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get a notification, and also like and comment and share. Let me know when you were pregnant, what did you pack? Those things I pack, did I pack too much or I pack less? Let me know in the comment section. I'm reading your comment, guys. Alright, so I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao. Ahoy. Bye guys.